Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Grand Dame espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the two-way solenoid valve, the one that you see right here. This one was preventing the machine from dispensing water, and we also replaced the older brew unit assembly with the newer one, the one that is located right in there. That is a new brand new uh, brew unit on the machine. We descale this machine, clean it up, and just make sure everything's working the way it's supposed to. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out, and we're gonna be testing right now the hot water. As you can see, it's working. Before it even do anything, nothing was coming out through there, and that was because the two-way solenoid was completely blocky there. It was not working the way it's supposed to. So now let's do a sharp coffee. We're gonna be using medium settings of the grinder. And we're gonna see coffee coming out through here. Nice steady flow coming out of the machine. Excellent color as well. 1.5 ounces, perfect quantity as well. Great crema. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Grand Dame working once again, dispensing water and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.